Welcome friends. In this video we will cover manuscript and cursive writing on plain paper and then on graph paper. This is manuscript writing on plain paper. Writing cursive capitals is more artistic than educative as per me. Therefore I am covering both the form of capitals, that is manuscript as well as cursive. My suggestion is that you can write a mix of manuscript and cursive capitals. It does not matter. You should be comfortable and the writing legible. Manuscript capitals are very simple, and you will find them useful in writing headlines in your school projects. You can practice as much you can. My worksheets are quite comprehensive. We commence with cursive writing. You first trace on the dotted patterns and then write it plain. This will help you with the method, and then practice on plain paper next to it. Uppercase cursive writing is considered much simpler because capitals we don't use a lot. The whole writing is it revolves around lowercase cursive writing. You can practice both of them. I think the video is self-explanatory. You can notice here again that the grip is very steady, and the entire writing is with a combination of the grip and finger movement. Writing with the fingers only tires them a lot, and so after some time of writing, your handwriting starts getting bad. I think you must have realized this fact by now after seeing my previous videos. You must also watch my videos on calligraphy writing in uppercase. You'll find them very relaxing. So now we commence with writing on the grid side of graph paper. I am using this grid side of graph paper so that we get good control of the size and height of the alphabets. It's just above 6 mm. This is because we keep writing on single line paper and the height between two lines is 8 mm. So lowercase cursive writing of about 3 mm, capitals of about 6 mm will give you good writing and they will look really good. Also, they will not get entangled with the top or the bottom lines. After teaching many children, I have noticed that they get very afraid when the alphabets start touching each other. That is the top line and the bottom line alphabets. So they tend to write to avoid them, and the handwriting becomes very bad. I think this will solve their problem to some extent. And this is manuscript capitals. I forgot mentioning about cursive P capitals. P can be written as shown on grid paper as well as shown on plain paper cursive writing. Both are okay. So now we come to the end of writing. Thank you.